Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna tell you how to find a lawyer in US. If you drive any vehicle in USA and without knowing US traffic rules, and if you got captured by US police due to unfollowing the traffic rules or by an accident, then how you can find a lawyer in USA. First of all, you have to be normal and don't be so depressed in this situation and be cool. Then try to negotiate with police and told them that you are not a victim and you didn't do this. If matter can't be solved, then you have to contact with your neighbors and your relatives or your mom and dad. Then after telling them your situation, they will contact law agencies to hire you a best and professional lawyer that take hold on your case and try to execute you from this bad situation. Then in then this case in front of judge make you free of from your bad situation and worries. Then you have to be thankful of your relatives for their support and enjoy your life with them.